creators, welcome back to the Creators World channel, where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. Sir Orlando here. Today we are diving into some vintage vibes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own retro stripe alphabets right here in CorelDRAW. Whether you are designing logos, t-shirts or posters, this effect will give your work that eye-catching retro flair. So grab your tools and let's bring some alphabets to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't get left out from any creative draw. Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
With the ellipse tool, draw a circle of diameter 50 millimeters and press P to center it on the page. Change the outline width to 1 millimeter and apply a contour by going to Effect, Contour to open the contour window. Choose the outside contour and apply the settings as you see on the screen. Press Ctrl K to break them apart and then ungroup all and then combine. With the Bezier tool, draw a vertical line of height as you see on the screen and change the outline width to 1 millimeter. Press P to center it and make a copy. Change the rotation to 90 degrees and then select all and copy onto clipboard. Use the virtual segment delete tool to delete the parts as you see on the screen. Press Ctrl V to paste. Copy the process as you see on the screen. So notice you copy once onto clipboard, but you can paste several times. Now we need vertical and horizontal lines. So let's separate the two and go to our transform docker and apply the settings as you see on the screen. Repeat process for the horizontal line also. Now select all the horizontal lines and combine, and then likewise select all the vertical lines and combine. Great! We have all we need to start creating our letters. So now let's delete these unwanted lines from our shapes. These are the lines or objects that will help us to create our alphabets or our letters. Okay, so to start with, we need to create our first letter A. Remember, these are lowercase or what we call small letters. So we choose these ones and manipulate them as you see on the screen. So I want to leave you to follow this tutorial because I believe it's very easy to make. But feel free also to create your own style of letters. This is just a guide to help you. So when you are done with the letter A, select all and group it. Now we want to create the letter B. So this is how we are creating our letters, but the trick here in making the copies is you right click and you drag. So you can either copy and paste, or you right click and drag. When you get to the point and you release, then you choose copy here. So you can either do Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, or you right click and drag. When you get to the point where you need it, you release the mouse and then you choose copy here. So like this, right click, drag, choose copy here. So for the letter B and the letter D, we just need to mirror and we are done. Easy peasy. Again, right click, drag, release, and choose copy here. So this is absolutely up to you and your creativity. Awesome. Well done. Now let's group all the letters. So group the H, highlight all the strokes of the G and group, highlight all the strokes of the F and group, highlight all the strokes of the E and group. Congratulations, you have successfully created your own letters in retro style. But now we need to add a little tweak to it. We need to apply the retro colors to make it more appealing. But before that, let's give it a background so that we can really see what we have done. So draw a rectangle and fill it with white and send it to the back of page. These are our retro style letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now let's ungroup our letter A and combine. After which, let's break apart so that we can have the strokes as individual strokes. So now select the strokes as you see on the screen and right click to apply the color you desire to. Take your time and make sure you don't miss out on any stroke. Remember, they are now in pieces. So take your time to select all strokes which needs to have the same color and apply. To select two or more strokes, hold down Shift whilst you select the other one. Great, you have successfully created your own style. Go ahead and do for others. If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.